Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0134 refers to a malfunction in the air-fuel ratio AF sensors heater system, specifically sensor 1 in the Honda Civic models from 2022 onward. This error indicates that the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected that the AF sensor heater is either not activating or possesses higher than normal internal resistance. This could lead to inefficient fuel mixture management and may potentially impact vehicle performance and emissions. The AF sensor is crucial for measuring the air-fuel mixture entering the engine, and it is located in the exhaust system, typically before the catalytic converter. The heater within the AF sensor is designed to ensure that the sensor reaches its operating temperature quickly, which is essential for accurate readings. An operational AF sensor is vital for maintaining optimal combustion and promoting effective emissions control. The DTC P0134 specifically signifies a problem with the air-fuel ratio AF sensor 1's heater system, which plays an essential role in monitoring the air-fuel mixture that enters the engine. This sensor is normally located in the exhaust system, just upstream of the catalytic converter, accurately detecting the exhaust gases to help the PCM manage fuel injection and overall engine performance. When the PCM identifies that the heater circuit is not functioning correctly, it triggers the error code. The heater's purpose is to heat the sensor quickly so that it can provide reliable readings to the PCM. Without a functioning heater, the sensor may produce delayed or inaccurate readings, leading to potential engine performance issues and increased emissions. Several potential causes are associated with the DTC P0134. First, a faulty air-fuel ratio sensor, sensor 1, can lead to the heater system malfunctioning. This can arise from internal failures within the sensor itself, potentially creating high resistance and failing to activate as required. Secondly, damaged wiring or connectors leading to the sensor can also be a culprit. Physical damage, corrosion, or poor connections could prevent the heater from receiving the necessary voltage supply. Finally, there is a possibility of a malfunction within the powertrain control module, PCM. If the PCM is not functioning correctly or fails to process input from the AF sensor accurately, it could incorrectly store the DTC, leading to further troubleshooting complications. The symptoms associated with DTC P0134 can significantly affect vehicle operation. The most immediate indication is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, alerting the driver to a detected fault. Additionally, the car may exhibit poor engine performance as the incorrect air-fuel ratio fails to support optimal combustion. This may manifest as hesitation, stalling, or reduced acceleration. Furthermore, an inoperative AF sensor can lead to an increase in harmful emissions, possibly causing the vehicle to fail emissions testing. If left unaddressed, the persistent issues from a faulty AF sensor can lead to more severe engine problems and potential costly repairs. In the first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0134, the initial action is to visually inspect the condition of the AF sensor and its wiring. Ensure you check for any visible damage, such as frayed wires or corrosion at the connector ends. Additionally, confirm the integrity of the sensor's electrical connections. Next, you will perform a circuit inspection to check for any opens, shorts, or poor connections in the wiring leading to the AF sensor, sensor 1. A thorough inspection is crucial, as any compromised wires could lead to incorrect sensor readings and cause the PCM to store this DTC. In the second step of the troubleshooting process, focus on inspecting the connections to the powertrain control module, PCM. Make sure the PCM connector is securely attached and that there are no signs of corrosion or damage at the terminals. This inspection is essential as faulty connections can result in poor communication between the PCM and the A sensor, sensor 1. Furthermore, utilize a diagnostic scanner to check for any additional error codes stored in the PCM. These extra codes could provide insight into related issues affecting the sensor or the vehicle's performance, guiding you toward a more comprehensive resolution of the problem. In the third step of troubleshooting, testing the A filter sensor, sensor 1, is imperative to confirm whether it operates within required parameters. After ensuring that previous inspections indicate normal conditions, proceed to connect the A filter sensor back and perform functional tests. This involves measuring the output voltage of the sensor while the engine is running. Under normal conditions, the output voltage should read about 0.2 volts or higher. If the sensor does not achieve this reading, it further indicates a malfunction, necessitating its replacement. Document any findings during this testing phase to assist with accurate diagnosis and follow-up steps. After completing repairs related to DTC P0134, it is crucial to verify that all issues have been resolved. The first step in this verification is to clear any stored DTCs from the PCM using a diagnostic scanner. Once the codes are cleared, take the vehicle for a test drive under various operating conditions. Pay attention to how the engine performs and whether the check engine light reappears during the drive. If no issues are noted and the CEL remains off, it confirms successful repairs and proper functionality of the A/F sensor heater system. This step ensures that the vehicle is ready for safe operation and optimal performance. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0134 and to ensure optimal engine performance, regular inspections of the AF sensor and associated wiring are recommended. Make it a habit to visually check these components during routine vehicle maintenance to catch any early signs of wear or damage. Furthermore, monitor the engine's performance consistently. If you notice any changes in acceleration or an increase in emissions, consider running diagnostics sooner rather than later. Keeping the sensors in good condition and ensuring system integrity will correlate with improved fuel efficiency and overall health of the engine. Preventive maintenance can ultimately help you avoid costly repairs and maintain compliance with emissions regulations. In conclusion, understanding and addressing DTC P0134 is essential for maintaining the Honda Civic's performance and ensuring compliance with emission standards. The primary causes of this error include a malfunctioning AF sensor, sensor 1, damaged wiring or connectors, and potential issues within the PCM. Through a systematic approach to troubleshooting, including visual inspections and functional tests, mechanics can accurately determine the root cause and effect repairs as needed. The AF sensor plays a pivotal role in the engine management system, influencing fuel efficiency and emissions performance. Maintaining its functionality is critical for the overall health of the vehicle, along with reducing the risk of further issues in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.